Hello, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is anymore, as in Vlogmas or as in real life. The entire day yesterday, I thought it was Saturday, and turns out today is Saturday, and I woke up extremely confused because all last night I was planning for today being Sunday, and then I woke up and it was Saturday, and it's like kind of cool that I have a whole other day of life left to live, but also that means I have to go to work today, and I was like, what? I thought I already did that yesterday. What?
Merry Christmas!
Hi, welcome to Vlogmas. Hi. I'd like to start this off by quickly apologizing that I got a little bit behind on editing. So I'm gonna catch up on that today. Sorry, Lauren just needed a mental health day, okay? And I feel like no one's gonna care. I'm sorry. Maybe we'll just do an extra Vlogmas. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I don't think you really care that much is what I'm saying. I also was like, is anybody watching this? I don't know if anybody even noticed, but if you are watching this right now, then I really appreciate you, and I thank you for that, and I'm sorry if that seemed like I overlooked you, because I didn't. It's just that I'm in my bathroom, questioning if we're all living in a simulation. It is like 10 o'clock right now. I slept in, because yesterday was the day that you didn't see. Oof, I just like worked all day, and on top of it, like by a mental health day, I mean, I just had a lot of work and just did not have the like mental capacity to vlog anything. So yeah, what I'm getting at is I worked late last night, and by late I mean I got home at like 10:30 and was like, oh, I'm 100 years old and a dinosaur. This morning Iris and I are gonna go on a little hot girl walk, but we made this plan to go on a hot girl walk before realizing that it was freezing outside. I guess it's like, I'm gonna say this number. Just know that at one point I lived in Michigan and I wasn't a baby, but now I don't, then it's like 28 degrees and we were both like, oh, I don't know, I was thinking about this, I was like, man, I really do just like love going on a walk with my friends. Like so many of these vlogs have just been like, so many gonna walk around. I think it's a great time. You could bring coffee or you could bring tea or whatever if you'd like. You could sit in a park, drink it, and then go on a walk, or vice versa, or you can go on a walk and then go grab something, or just do the walking. Miranda and I used to all the time when she lived here, but like around sometime, I think we did like Tuesdays, we would just catch up and go on a walk. And I'm like, it's so nice because you can just like, I don't know, I feel like it's a good way to stay up to date on everybody's lives, but also it doesn't cost anything, and also it's healthy for you. And it's just like, I don't know, I like just walking and talking. So yeah, I feel like I have a lot of friends that we just gravitate towards each other and are like, so you cool with this? Yes, it's like the Spider-Man thing. And also, if you feel like you're in a new area or an old area or wherever you're at, and you're like, but I don't have anybody to walk with, just get some AirPods, my dude. Just call your friends, because as like the older I get, I just am like, wow, I really do just make more and more friends in different areas that I then have to keep up with for the rest of my life, and I will always miss you because we won't always live in the same area, and it's horrible. So oh wow, is this a music video or what?
Let me buy you a drink.
Listen
pretty good.
T-Pain once. We took a little break to be big little lies rich. Just stare at the water. Look at the nature. And she lays on a frosted bench. Iris
When your friends have times, you get the biscuits.
The red velvet is so good.
I'm excited. I'm surprised I made it all the way over here without spilling it, but
You did a great job. Soup's on sale dance.
Soup's on sale, CeeLo Green is playing, come on.
This is the most Christmas that this Vlogmas has ever been.
Christmas
Please hold my soup, because I'm buying as many as I can. Thank you. Merry Christmas to one and all. I'm back home and Ira pulled it out. He did it.
That sounds very...
Completely kosher and friendly. Look.
Wow.
We've done it. Look at that shiny car. It's time.
Oh, there goes the shiny one. Shiny ones are the expensive ones, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have to assume.
I'm gonna beat you up later.
It's really not happening, but I haven't played since I was in 6th grade.
I stopped by Whole Foods with Iris and got all the soups. Iris, when we were checking out, she was like, "We look like little soup lesbians." So now I've just been calling her a soup lesbian all day. But they had a sale. These are $3.50, and I love this soup. And it's just like easy. You just keep it in your pantry. You can pull it out whenever. And $3.50, that's like half off. These soups are so stupidly expensive. Anyways, I also got my creamer. This is one that I've been using for a hot minute now, but I don't know if I've actually shown it. I used to use the silk one, and I switched over to this one because it has a little less, like, stuff in it. It still definitely has things like canola oil and gelangum, etc. But it's at least 2% or less of lots of things. So I tried making my own creamer forever. Like, dude, I went down every rabbit hole. This was the best thing that I could come up with. So, but the only place that I can find it really is at Whole Foods. Like, they don't sell it at very many places. I like the vanilla one, but they have like a creamy oat milk one and a couple other options. I don't know, but I'm gonna put all my mini soups away. Oh god, dude, I have so many leftovers. What is happening? I forgot. Oh my. Also, Ira was making fun of my hair, but whatever. I have to work tonight, so I'll get hot later, okay? But like, I just love. Hi, dog. Why are you looking at me so weird? Hello. I'm not leaving you yet. We're just hanging out. Yeah, you and I. We're just hanging out. We're being buddies. Do you want to turn the heat on? It's kind of cold. Anyways, I have to go to work later, but I just got Vlogmas edited. I almost slipped and died just there. And it's exporting now, so that'll be good. So I think what I'm gonna do... She's gone on a healthy walk, folks. She has done her Vlogmas. I feel like it's Dota time. Again, I've really been limiting myself and the amount of times I play Dota, so I'm proud she's evolving. She's becoming a human being, but hopefully I'm gonna go win one game. It's about 2 o'clock right now. So if I can win one game, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna stretch, because my body is tired. A lot of like hikes and walks and Orange Theory classes lately, which is great. And I try to do something daily, but oof. I gotta stretch my body out. Whatever stretches I feel like. I do this a lot after I work out. I'll just like put a yoga mat down and stretch, and then I just listen to like a guided meditation as I do it. Kind of feels like a 2-in-1, but I think today we'll do an actual just like little mini yoga from the YouTube. But anyways, first I gotta be a trash person, so let's go, girls. I am completely sober. It's just so late. I feel insane. I had to take some vitamins. I had to crawl myself into bed. Long story short, I don't think I actually communicated with you because I was running late, but I went into work. It was very busy. We went out afterwards. Again, I didn't even drink because I was like, I feel like there's been too much alcohol going around lately. And we're just up and alive, and I don't know what I'm saying to you. Like, also, we were eating, we got burritos and stuff. Sorry, I didn't vlog anything, but I was with people that I was like, I'm not throwing this around, but I got like one little baby clip for you, I think. This is what being 31 is. Like, I didn't even drink, I just stayed up past midnight. And I'm wrecked. Well, At least my back is still mostly functioning. Hi. I'm so sorry if this vlog was nonsense. I hope that you've enjoyed Vlogmas. Sorry it's gotten, as I feel like it's a Vlogmas tradition though for things to go awry. 5 minutes of me talking in the bathroom and then 5 minutes of me puttering around my house, but we are what we are, we can do what we can do. So I just feel like I'm just wasting your time continuing to talk about this, so I'm going to finish removing said makeup, pop myself into bed, and I will leave you with the note of go. Also have a big cup of water because, oh, I have 2 right here. I am so wealthy, oh my god. And maybe finish up your Christmas shopping. Because Christmas is very soon. And also, I'm late to these vlogs, so it's even sooner than we're even talking right now. Anyways, I look insane. Okay, thank you all for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Can you see me now?